Hi, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to transform this old makeup mirror into this beautiful home decor. This is a 5-minute craft that you can easily make. If you like this craft, please support this channel by clicking the subscribe button and don't forget to like and share. So, let's get creative, shall we? To reuse the mirror from an old makeup, gently push and rotate the mirror until it loosens up. Then use a piece of sticky tape and carefully pull it out. Then take a cardboard and draw a circle that is 1 centimeter bigger than the mirror and cut it. Now take the jute string, measure at least 30 centimeters, and gather 8 strands together. Take the strands into 2 sets of 4 strings and roll it to make a rope. Stretch the rope as you roll it to straighten it. Then stick a tape around the end to secure it. Now stick the mirror to the cutout circle. Apply glue around the mirror to stick the first layer of the rope. Cut the excess rope and join the ends together. Measure the length of the rope for the second layer. Then stick it around the first layer. Gather another set of strings. This time, let's make it longer. Roll it in one piece together. Then measure and cut 3 centimeters. Cut 40 pieces of these. Stick a piece of a cut string as shown, and use a single string to tie a knot around it. Add glue to secure it. Continue to repeat the same step until you cover the whole area. Then turn it over. You may use a needle to secure the string just as shown. Allot enough string for the handle to hang your mirror. We can now add a little bit of white paint on it. Finally, trim around the sides. And just like that, our decorative mirror is complete. I hope you had fun making this craft with us today. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!